Hi, welcome to INEO's channel. Today we're focusing on our ice cream machines and its maintenance tips. Now there are some key indications to be aware of when using this machine. And today we're going to introduce some of the areas that we need to take extra care and focus. First, when we're operating this ice cream machine, we need to make sure that both sides have at least 30 centimeter gap so that air can float in and air can float out. The compressor needs a lot of space for it to release the heat on the outside and the fan to take in some air so that airflow is correct and also to reduce the temperature for the whole machine. This is why we need a 30 centimeter gap on both sides. The most important thing when we're operating this ice cream machine is to always keep some cream on top of this tray. Also this way as well. When we're using this ice cream machine, we need to make sure that both sides has cream on top. Now the reason of that is because this hole right here, it will take the cream inside and it will float underneath here into this box right here, where the ice cream will be cooled and become liquid and solid form. Now we also install with this mixer inside to make sure that when the ice cream is inside, it is keep on being spinned and being stirred so that the liquid form does not have any sediments. The water will be on top and the ice cream will be at the bottom. It will never have that issue because it's keep on stirring the inside. Now the reason why we need to keep some of the ice cream on the tray is because during the spinning time, you can see it is very compact and it's touching the edge of the rim right here. If there's no liquid inside, the friction will damage this machine right here and also inside here. They were causing some damages. So the cream inside actually serves as like a lubrication for this whole machine so that it can operate for a longer period of time. This is why we need to make sure that both tanks have cream inside when operating time, and you cannot use only one, you need to use two. And also, you need to always make sure there's cream inside so it serves as a lubrication for the stirring. Now another maintenance tip when operating this ice cream machine is when you first purchase this machine and have it delivered into your store, you need to make sure that it stays sitting before plugging in for at least 8 hours for everything to settle down and ready to operate. Another thing to take notice of is that sometimes in some countries, the electricity is not stable all the time. The voltage will be up and down from time to time. Now in case of that happening, this machine will have a control panel and indicates if the electrical output is not stable, it will say fault 1. Now this is an opportunity for our customers to either increase the voltage to make it stable, or if the condition does not allow, we can also add in a stabilizer for the whole machine to make sure that the electrical flow current is smooth and consistent. Okay, that's some of the maintenance tips for our ice cream machine, and stay tuned for more as we introduce our common spare parts and our components inside and on the outside for ice cream machines as well. So stay tuned.